Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial just fully using INGLOT. I don't know if any of you have heard of INGLOT or if you've used bits and bobs in the past. You'll have seen me use it a lot in my videos. INGLOT is where I currently work, so I thought it'd be great to do a video and introduce you all to some of my favourite products that I use every day and reach for every day, and do a nice little eye look with it. Perfect for autumn. So we've done a really nice like golden autumnal vibe smoke with a lovely brown lip and a really nice contour. I'm using the brand new foundation as well that Kaz from Love Island has been promoting, so you'll see how that goes on and see how that looks on as well. So everything I'll be using will be INGLOT and out of my really messy own little palette. The beautiful thing about INGLOT is you can completely pick and mix and make your own palette and choose your own colours. You've got the freedom to do everything you want, and everything's really pigmented and highlighty and beamy and glittery. So I hope you like the video, and if you have any suggestions or you want to know any more about the products or any other things you'd like to see, just give me a message and I can let you know. But other than that, enjoy. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with my brand new INGLOT All Covered concealer to put a base down for me eye, and this is this one and it's in shade 13. And then from there, all I'm going to do is go in with this really nice deep orange colour, 281. It's a really nice bright orange. I'm going to go right in my crease with that. From there, and then going in with 287, which is like a really nice bright orange colour, and I'm just buffing that into the deeper orange over the top of it a little bit as well, just to soften it so it's not too contrasting. Once you've got those two blended nicely into like a deep orange, you're going to go in with this delicious colour, 296. So this dead deep rich red. Stunning. It's so nice. And we're going to take that right into your outer corner and just blend through your crease. From there, we're going to cut the crease as well. So seeing as I was doing an autumn look, I could have gone in with like a really mad blue colour, but I'll stick to gold and do like a really nice gold crease with it as well and buff that in with it. So I'm going to go in with my 68 trusty liner, the one liner from INGLOT that I cannot and will not live without. It is amazing and it's just perfect for cutting creases, as you'll see me using every single video to cut a crease. The trick is to go in with a really flat brush. It's going to carve the shape out for you. Orange colour. I'm just going to buff and blend that into your crease that you've just cut, just in the light, but just so you've not got as harsh of a line. So now the crease is cut and we've got the outside all blended in. I'm going in with the shade 10 from INGLOT, which is like a really nice like orangey gold, like not too champagne-y, just to give it a bit of a fiery goldness to it. So now you've got that lovely fieriness going on. All I'm going to do is use something that we're going to come back and use later, which is the JLo Sparkle Dust. I'm just going to put a little bit of that over that fiery glitter just to give it a bit of an extra sparkle. That's the fieriness and smokiness of the eye done on the top. From there, I'm going to go in with this highlight colour, 395, which doesn't look like much, but when it's on, it is beaming. It is really pretty. So I'm going to go in with that on my brow bone and in my inner corner. So you put your highlight on. And all that done, you can move on to the bottom. So again, it's just doing the opposite of what you've done on the top. So I'm going to go in with that deep orange and drawing it up. Going in with the lightest orange. And blending that out. And then in the outer corner, just with that nice like cherry red that you've got, just to join up your darker corner. And that's the eye done. I think I'm just going to do a nice wing, just a nice simple wing, just because I think it's a nice bright colour and let's not darken it. I'm going in with my JLo eyeliner gel in Midnight. Really lovely creamy black, waterproof, smudge proof, perfect for on the eye. And that is that. So you've got a nice smooth fluid wing right across the lid with a lovely smart colour. Perfect for autumn, bonfire night, nice Christmassy colours, all nice and warm, reminds you of like fallen leaves. Eye. So I'm going to go off camera, quickly do the other eye, and then we'll come back on camera and do the rest of my face. So that is the eyes on. We've got a nice crease. I've already put my lashes on as well, so we can just crack straight on with the face. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime. So I'm going to go in with, you've seen me use it before, you'll see me use it a million times, me INGLOT primer. The SPF under makeup base. So I'll go straight in with that under my face. With the brush as well. Not everyone does. The foundation I'm going to be using today is the brand new INGLOT All Covered Foundation in shade 16. It's going to look a totally different colour from the rest of me because the tan as well and truly come off my face. So it is this one, and it comes in nice with like a matte lid. It's lovely, but it is the dewiest formula. It is lovely. It's one of my new ones I'm vibing a little bit at the moment. So I'm going to go straight in with that and buff that all over my skin. That's the base on. You can almost see the sheen and how dewy it is, yet how full coverage it is. Then I'm going to go in with my INGLOT All Coverage Concealer. This is so thick and creamy, it's beautiful, but you need the tiniest little bit because otherwise it spreads everywhere. So literally 3 little blobs. Going in with my stippling brush and just pouncing it out. From there and on my whole face, I'm going to set it with a powder also. And I'm using my Jennifer Lopez powder. And this is in nude 4. So I'll put that all over my face. Just like really dust it. Just to set everything. You're still going to have the glowiness to it without looking too matte. From there, I'm then going in with my trusty Cocoa 4. I'm going to contour my cheeks. It's a beautiful sculpting powder. I know, because I've not got much of a face yet. I do like quite a deep contour on my cheeks. And then just go around the top of your head. Like that. Then I'm going in with my AMC multicolour bronzer. Just in that over the top, just to soften out the contour. And the tops of my forehead. I'm just going in with my Old Faithful 17 Face and Body Blush, that bright orange scary looking thing. And just in it onto my cheeks. From there, I'm just going to dip it back into me translucent powder and just set bake underneath that so that all that's kept. So I like to use like a really tightly packed brush and literally just stab it. And from there, we'll just go with me highlight. So I'm just going to use yellow sparkle dust. And I like, cause it's so sparkly. All that's left is my brows. To do my brows, I use the JLo Brow Gel and I use the shade Truffle. I'll do one on camera and one off camera so that you can see. From there, once I've got that shape going on, I just go in with the Inglot Brow Mascara and just add some brush strokes just to make it look a bit more natural at the front. But that's my brows on, so definitely feeling the sisters not twins vibe yet again, even though they look great this morning when I went to work and they don't want to play ball now for this video. That's the usual. And from there I'm just going to do me lippy, with it being autumn browns, and with Elise I'm going to do a nice deep dark brown on my lip as well. Get in with one of the Inglot liquid lips, and this is in shade 42, and do a nice deep dark brown, very autumnal. Got that lovely brown, and then just to finish up, dust away the remnants of that lovely sculpting powder, and you're going to be left with a nice harsh contour line. And that's that. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is my autumnal festive beginning vibes, bonfire night appropriate, even though that has now passed, but I still feel like it's in the air. So it's really nice bright oranges, nice brown on the lip, nice warm cheeks. I've got a nice sculpted out, and that was using completely all Inglot. Really pigmented, you can see, really nice payoff. The foundation, the brand new one's really glowy. If you're interested in any of the products or you want to know more about anything, give me a message and I can let you know. Other than that, I'll see you next time.